Welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is for you. This is not a kind of book which is a children's book or coloring book. This is the kind of book which is a sort of like logbook, notebook, journal. So today what I am gonna talk about is the niche which is doing very well in the market, and you can definitely try your hands. Okay, hello everyone. If you are watching with for the very first time on my channel, I talk about KDP, that is all about passive income. So if you are interested in such kind of thing, please do subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends, family, and whoever is interested in passive income. And if you are watching me for the very first time, obviously you can support me. But if you are supporting for a very long time, because some of the people here who are listening to me, who are watching me, they know me all things about Amazon KDP from this channel. So finding good profitable books on KDP can be really hard. But in this video, I want to show you a book or a niche area that I have found that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. If you can create a great manuscript and create some reality good passive income. So now we are going to talk about our today's niche. We are going notepad. Here we can see 5 KDP low content book niche. Our first niche is baby shower guest book. Baby shower guest book. If you can create a great manuscript and great cover, now you can earn many from this book. Now our second niche is Bible study journal. Bible study journal. This is also good niche, and you can also create good manuscript and good cover. Then you can earn a lot of money from this book. Our third niche is password tracker. This is also very good niche, and you can also, and you must be create good cover and good manuscript, then you can earn more money from this book. Our niche is plant record book. This is also another good niche. If you can create good cover, good manuscript, and good keyword, then you can also earn money from this book. Now our last niche is sketchbook. Sketchbook. This is also good for kids. Sketchbook use profitably only for kids. So we can create good manuscript, good cover, and good keyword, good title, and good description, then you can profit from this book. So if you get into the right niche and use the right keywords, so remember, if you have liked this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can actually share with you more niches, more ideas, and help you to scale your self-publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. I also wanted to say thank you very much for those that subscribe to my channel.